Ginger capable of destroying cancer cells. In modern research, ginger is being seen as a beneficial drug in various types of cancer and has shown some promising results. A study by the University of Michigan Comprehensive Cancer Center found that ginger not only destroyed ovary cancer cells, but also prevented them from developing immunity to chemotherapy, which is a common problem in ovary cancer. In this study, researchers applied a paste of ginger powder and water to ovary cancer cells. Every test found that the cancer cells were destroyed when exposed to the ginger mixture. Each cell either committed suicide, called apoptosis, or they attacked each other, known as autophagy. Ginger has also been found to be very beneficial in the treatment of breast cancer, prostate cancer and colon cancer. Research published in the Journal of Biomedicine and Biotechnology revealed that ginger plant chemicals inhibited the proliferation of breast cancer cells without affecting healthy breast cells. This property is very important because it does not happen in traditional methods. Although many tumors are cured by chemotherapy, breast cancer cells are more difficult to destroy. They often survive and develop immunity to treatment. Other advantages of using ginger are that it is easy to be given in capsule form, has few side effects and is a cheaper alternative to traditional medicines. Modern science certifies that ginger can also reduce inflammation in the colon, which helps prevent colon cancer. In a Michigan University study, researchers gave a group of 30 patients 2 grams of ginger root supplements or placebo in 28 days. After 28 days, the researchers found that the patients who had consumed ginger root found significant reduction in signs of colon inflammation. This may make it an effective natural prevention method for people with colon cancer risk. Many other cancers, such as anal cancer, liver cancer, lung cancer, melanoma and pancreas cancer, have also been studied on the ability of ginger ingredients. It is interesting that an anti-cancer drug is made from beta-almond ginger. Ginger is beneficial in diabetes. In the case of diabetes, studies have found ginger to be effective in both prevention and treatment. A research conducted at Sydney University in Australia found ginger to be effective for people with type 2 diabetes. Ginger ingredients can increase the process of transporting glucose to the muscle cells without the use of insulin. In this way it can help in controlling high blood sugar level, high sugar level. Studies have found that ginger protects against complications from diabetes. Ginger can protect the liver, kidney and central nervous system of a diabetic. It also reduces the risk of cataract, a common side effect of this disease. Ginger beneficial for heart. Ginger has been used in the treatment of heart diseases for years. It is said in Chinese medicine that the therapeutic properties of ginger make the heart strong. Ginger oil was often used in prevention and treatment of heart diseases. Modern studies show that the ingredients of this herb work to reduce cholesterol, control blood pressure, improve blood flow, and prevent blocked arteries and blood clots. All these things reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Ginger is a popular digester. Ginger has been used as a digestive by ancient civilizations for thousands of years. Its vata-relieving elements remove stomach gas and prevent the problem of flatulence and abdominal air. At the same time, its elements that cure abdominal cramps provide relief in indigestion by relaxing muscles. Eating pieces of ginger by sprinkling salt before meals increases saliva, which helps digestion and prevents stomach problems. Drinking ginger tea after a heavy meal also helps to reduce flatulence and abdominal air. If you are having more stomach problems, then you can also consume ginger to relieve the symptoms of food poisoning. Ginger is often recommended for the treatment of permanent indigestion, dyspepsia, relief of abdominal pain in children, and bacterial diarrhea. Ginger reduces motion sickness. Ginger is very helpful in curing different types of nausea and vomiting. It provides relief in morning sickness in pregnant women, motion sickness in traveling people and nausea in patients with chemotherapy. Despite being given anti-vomiting medications during chemotherapy, 70% of patients suffer from nausea. A recent study on adult cancer patients found that a half to 1 gram of ginger dose before chemo daily reduced the severity of severe nausea in 91% of patients who took part in the study. Ginger also helps in reducing the nausea that comes with dizziness. Research in this regard shows that the therapeutic chemicals of this spice work in the brain and nervous system, reducing the effect of nausea. Ginger relieves joint pain and arthritis. Ginger contains a very effective substance called gingerol which reduces joint and muscle pain. According to one study, ginger is an effective treatment for severe and permanent inflammatory diseases. Many more scientific studies also confirm the effect of ginger in joint pain. It is especially effective in the early stages of arthritis. Many patients suffering from osteoarthritis experienced reduced pain and improved mobility with regular ginger intake. A study conducted in Hong Kong shows that massaging with ginger and orange oil provides relief for short-term stiffness and pain in patients with knee problems. Ginger can also reduce inflammation and muscle aches caused by exercise. In a study conducted by the University of Georgia, researchers fed raw and cooked ginger to two groups of 34 and 40 voltillas for 11 consecutive days. The results of the study concluded that daily use of ginger supplements relieves up to 25% of muscle pain caused by exercise. Ginger reduces migraine and menstrual pain. Research suggests that ginger can relieve migraine, headache. A study conducted in Iran and published in the journal Phytotherapy Research found that ginger powder is just as effective in migraine symptoms as sumatrapan, a common migraine drug. In the clinical trial, some of the 100 migraine sufferers with acute symptoms were given sumatrapan and the rest with ginger powder. Research found that both had similar efficacy and the side effects of ginger powder were much lower than those of sumatrapan. This suggests that it is a more safe treatment of migraine. As soon as the migraine attack starts, drinking ginger tea suppresses prostaglandins and relieves unbearable pain. It also does not cause migraine-related nausea and vertigo. Ginger is also helpful in significantly reducing the pain associated with dysmenorrhea. A research conducted in Iran divided 70 female students into two groups. One group was given ginger capsules and the other a placebo. Both were given these things for the first 3 days of their menstrual cycle. Researchers found that 82.85% of women taking ginger capsules reported improvement in pain symptoms, while only 47.05% of women relieved from placebo. In many cultures, there is also a tradition of adding fresh ginger juice to the skin for the treatment of burns, and ginger oil has been found to be very effective in joint and back pain. Effective in treating ginger breathing problems, and asthma. Elements of ginger have shown positive results in the treatment of respiratory problems. Research suggests that its use in the treatment of asthma patients has been promising. Asthma is a permanent disease in which the lungs of the oxygen vessels of the lungs become inflamed and become sensitive to various substances, causing seizures. A recent study shows that ginger is beneficial in the treatment of asthma in two ways. First, by blocking the enzyme that compresses the airway muscles and activating the second enzyme that relaxes the airway. Ginger is effective due to its powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and analgesic elements. Its properties are similar to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs but do not have negative side effects. While medicines used in the treatment of asthma disease can also have worrisome side effects. Therefore, the availability of alternative, safe treatments such as ginger is a promising discovery in the treatment of this disease. Ginger is useful in cold and cough. Ginger strengthens the immune system, making it a well-known treatment for colds, coughs and flu. It is also very effective in cough, bad throat and bronchitis due to comfort in upper respiratory tract infection. Ginger also cleanses the body's subtle circulating mediums, including painful sinuses that get agitated during winter. In cold cough and flu, drinking ginger tea with lemon and honey is a very popular recipe that has been handed over to us for generations in both East and West. Ginger also has heat-enhancing properties, so it can heat the body in winter, and most importantly, it can increase perspiration, beneficial for health. This type of sweat is helpful in fighting the bacterial and fungal infections, in order to rid the body of toxins and symptoms of colds and colds. The best thing is that ginger contains active substances, which are easily absorbed by the body, so you do not have to use it in large amounts to take advantage of it. Ginger is a powerful antioxidant. Many studies in the world have found that ginger contains powerful antioxidants that prevent lipid peroxidation and DNA damage. Antioxidants are very important because they provide protection against free radicals. This helps to protect against all kinds of diseases that come with age, such as cancer, heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, Alzheimer's and other diseases. Although powerful antioxidants are found in all spices, ginger is more effective in them. It has 25 different antioxidant characteristics. Due to this, it is very effective in fighting all kinds of free radicals in different parts of the body. Benefits of eating ginger: reduces chances of cold, improves digestion, helpful in cleaning blood. Things to note: ginger should not be given to children under 2 years of age. Generally, adults should not take more than 4 grams of ginger a day. It contains ginger used in cooking. Pregnant women should not take more than 1 gram daily. You can use dried or fresh ginger root to make ginger tea and drink it 2 to 3 times daily. You can massage the affected area with ginger oil a few times daily to reduce excessive swelling. Ginger capsules give better benefits than other forms. Ginger can interact with other medications, including blood thinners. Always contact the doctor for information and possible side effects of ginger supplements for a particular problem. Ginger tea recipe. This healthy tea recipe will fill you with freshness and vitality. Also, it does not have the side effects of caffeine. Boil 4½ cups of water in a pot. When the water boils, crush a 2-inch piece of ginger with 20 to 25 basil leaves. Put this paste in boiling water with dry coriander seeds, optional. Let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Sieve the tea into a cup and add 1 teaspoon lemon juice and jaggery to taste. Drink hot. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell.